Somebody told me, he said, your devotion won't start off as devotion. Devotion starts off as a discipline. Like you do it just because you have to do it. I hate working out. Let me go on record. I really hate working out. But what happens is when I make a plan to go work out, it's a discipline. I'm there. I'm gonna do it. It doesn't matter. But after a while of doing the discipline turns into a desire. And the day you miss, you'll be like, man, I didn't work out today. I need to go work out today. And what you have to know is that spending time with God in prayer, spending time with Him in worship, it may start out as a discipline. I'm gonna set this 24 minutes every day, or this 30 minutes, or this 10 minutes, wherever you need to start. But what begins to happen is it turns into a desire.